guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can give yourself a big bouncy blow dry at home. The products that I'm going to be using today are the Schwarzkopf Got2b Volumizing Spray Mousse and the Got2b Volumizing Styling Powder. So this goes in your hair when it's wet and you blow dry it in, and then this powder goes into your hair afterwards just for like a bit of extra lift. But yeah, I'm just going to go and wash my hair. This is how we're starting off. So this is what I'm working with at the moment. Then I'm just going to go and wash my hair, and then I will show you how I style it after that. I'm just going to brush through my hair, detangle it, and then add my heat protection. And then I'm just going to go in with my styling mousse. So first of all, you want to shake it really well. And then I'm going to pump it into my hands. Rather than directly onto the root. You can do it directly onto the root, this just gives me a little bit more control about how much I'm using. And then I just go in and squeeze that into the roots. So there's obviously like a fine line between not using enough and using too much. You basically just kind of have to play it by ear. It really depends on the type of hair you have, how thick your hair is, how dry your hair is, like how well your hair absorbs product. If you've got like really fine silky hair, you might want to use a little bit less. I've got quite thick hair, I can get away with using quite a lot. And then what I do after that is I blow dry all of my hair forwards, so I'm basically upside down just to get like the most possible volume in the root, and I blow dry it until it's pretty dry, like 80%, possibly even like closer to 90% dry, but I just want it to be. Okay, and then just towards the end there I started using the cold air just to kind of like cool down my hair in this position so that my roots will hopefully have like a lot of lift to them now, which they clearly do. And then I'm just going to go in, start blow drying. I'm going to start at the back of my head, and when I clip this up I'm keeping it all in that like forward shape. So I always split my hair in half, and then all of the back sections behind my ear and from the crown of my head, all of this hair here I curl away from my face, and everything in front of here I curl towards my face. So I'm going to take quite big sections, and the whole time I'm drying my hair I'm just going to keep this angle of pulling my hair upright. Okay, and then I'll just unravel it, and you see that volume, that's what we're after. And then this section I'm going to curl it forwards. I'm still going to be like coming underneath it and lifting my hair up, but I'm just going to be like kind of twisting the hair towards my face instead of away from it. I'll just do the same thing on this side. The cool blast of air is a really important step here, so don't skip that. And then I'm just going to follow exactly the same principle again. Oh my god, I look crazy. Yeah, so just starting again at the back and curling the hair at the back away from you and the hair at the front towards you. this like mousse is so good that I can literally feel it when I'm putting the brush through my hair. It's like gritty almost, but in a good way. This section is going to go backwards, this section is going to go forwards. Okay, and then this section I will curl forwards. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. And then we're now on to the final section. So here I will just, oops. And then I'm just going to start at the back. Start working my way forwards. I'm just going to clip that there. Not going to be my most attractive look, but it's fine. And then this section I'm going to do backwards, and the rest I'm going to do forwards. As always. And this section's going to come in forwards. Okay, now I'm just going to start thinking about the section that I would usually take for my fringe. It would be about this hair. Yeah, okay, so this is a bit of an awkward amount that I've got left over, but I'll just quickly dry this. Okay, just plop that backward. And then finally we're up to our last section. I'm just going to clip what I have done out of the way. I'll just take out my clips and I'm just going to flip my head upside down and kind of like shake out all of the sectioning partings that I've got. Now you'll see I've just got like an insane amount of volume. And now this is what we're left with so far. So as you can see, my hair's already looking very, very big. And you could easily just leave it like this, but then for extra volume, I'm just going to go in with this volumizing powder. So generally with volumizing powder, it feels quite gritty, and a lot of people don't like that feeling because it's definitely noticeable. This just feels big and bouncy, but it still feels soft and hair-like. This kind of makes it feel still soft, but gritty is the only word that I can use to describe it. It just feels like it's got a bit of grit to it. So you're just gonna pop a bit of the powder right at your root and then get in there with your fingers. And you can literally just like fluff up your hair so much. So you can see the difference that that powder makes. And then I'll do the same on this side. Okay, then I'll do one final shake. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is how I give myself loads and loads of volume at the root using my Got2b products. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!